Hey guys, this is a fun video. I'm gonna just list some fun facts. Did you know that 1 in 4 animals is actually a beetle? Yeah. In fact, 20% of all life is beetles when you include the plants and the fungi. Did you know that dolphins will pass around pufferfish and chew on it to get high off the toxins? That's pretty cool. Did you know that dolphins and whales have to come up for air when they're sleeping? They have, like, their right hemisphere is awake, and the right hemisphere also looks out for predators, so because it has peripheral vision, and it floats them up to the surface to breathe, like every half hour or something like that. I just learned that, and I'm over 40, so I'm like, how did I not know that? Tigers are orange because a lot of prey animals see orange as green because they don't have a cone. They're missing a cone in their eye or something. What else? Zebras. Their main theory of why zebras have stripes that makes sense is that it deters flies and insects from landing on them. And they did an experiment with cows where they painted a bunch of cows with black and white stripes. And sure enough, the flies seemed to leave them alone. So that's interesting. Let's see. The house cat is the only cat in nature that has vertical slits for eyes, right? Like a reptile. And they also are more aloof like a reptile. If you look at all the other cats in nature, not only do they have human-like eyes, they're more affectionate. Like, if somebody has a pet tiger, like, they're way more affectionate than a house cat. So there's something weird and reptilian going on with these house cats. Dogs, they did an experiment with dogs. They were trying to figure out how dogs can tell when their owners are home. And so they blocked out all the sound, and they blocked out all the windows, right? With the light, and the dog could still tell when their owner was coming home. This is one specific dog, and they realized that it can tell that its owner's smell diminishes over time, and then obviously when it gets a certain level, they can tell that their owner is going to be home. So that's fascinating. I hear whale poo is basically the primary fertilizer of the sea, and it actually helps fertilize diatoms, which produce like 40 to 50% of our oxygen. So that's interesting.